Another quick video, guys. So today I'm gonna get the power steering cooler that came from the BMW engine, and I'm gonna put in this car here. So I do not want to spend a dime on that yet, unless I need to. And I also thought that would look cool if I was able to put this in front. So in here there's the radiator, the intercooler goes right in here, and then we have this part here. So I jumped the gun and I start sawing stuff. So this here is the mount and the cooler that came out of the BMW. As you see, I still have the OEM connections for the power steering. The only thing that's not gonna work is the power steering reservoir, because yeah, it's gonna get cramped in here. So yeah, so what I'm doing is, my plan is to get this as close as I can to this side. So yeah, check this out. I'm gonna do something like this, poke a hole in here, secure this in here, and I have all the plans in here of what I need to do. I saw already the top part of it, as you see. So boom, gone. And now my plan is to cut right in here. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm also going to use one of these things here to secure this guy. So let me cut this really quick. I'm not gonna even show this, but I'm gonna get exactly this line in here. Right below there's a little line. I'm gonna cut that line and go all the way. I'm gonna throw this part away. Alright, the final piece of art looks like this. Check this out. So it's pretty cool. I might be able to take a little more from the sides, but I'm not gonna jump the gun yet. What I'm gonna do is, my idea is, here I got one of those guys. I'm gonna put right in here like this, and if you see on this side, check this out, man, it's so hot here. The BMW, this front part has a bolt in here, so I'm going to just not complain and enjoy that. Put a nut in there, call it good. Alright, so I'm gonna put a pressure washer and a nut. Okay, I can type more later, but basically that's the idea. And in here I could actually cut this side part here a little more. I'm gonna mark right in here, so I'm gonna make this straight, and I'm gonna cut right in here. And I had a bright idea to get one of those guys here. So you see there are 3 nuts that hold this frame here, the whole front bumper, that's not my bumper anymore, in here, and it fit right in there. So I drew a hole in here, and I can put this right in there, and I should be able to screw this in there. There you go. So if I take like one notch here, yeah, look at that, see, it's touching. It's gonna rub, but look, It's very, very solid. And you know, this is the air entry. There is the air blowing from the radiator, so this is gonna be perfect in here. Yeah, I just gonna tie those guys. And here, if you see, you see one of the pipes. I don't know if it matters, like top or bottom or whatever, but this is the input, and then the output goes back to the reservoir. So I just need to get a hose put up there and get a new reservoir. Yeah, so check it out. You can barely see what's going on in there. Let me see if I can. Yeah. Cool. I hope this helps if you are building a 2JZ and you know you have laying around. Like I have lots of parts here laying around. Like even this is actually the is this a power seat? No, this is the transmission cooler. You know, for the automatic. I have another radiator and all this stuff. So you know you can use a lot of stuff. There's a bunch of stuff that you don't need to spend money, but you know, not many people do that, so there are not a lot of videos. So I hope this video helps you. There is much more to come. Of course, the aim is go drifting with this in less than a month. So my drive shaft and the adapters that I need for the drive shaft to the transmission and to the differential, they are on its way. So I'll get it next week. But for now, I gotta finish this. I had a leak on my brake lines. Gotta finish that. If you look inside, I put my shifter that is chassis mounted. I also have a brake, but a hydro brake, but I don't know if I'll be able to install that before the end of the month. Intercooler, the pipes are coming. The intercooler is on my Mitsubishi Eclipse. I have a new one for the Eclipse. Yeah, and then you know, wiring and all that stuff. So the only wires I need basically is to turn on the fuel. I don't know yet, but ignition, fuel, and probably one for the battery. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I guess I gotta have lights too. So yeah, no big deal. I'm gonna do that and then put the ECU in. So that's gonna be a big pain in the butt because I've never done, but I'm pretty sure the ECU is pretty cool. So consider subscribing to my channel. Check out my website. It's called www.carmodsgarage.com. There's a bunch of merch there. I'm trying to do like some blog of the steps I took of all my builds, so I have for the Eclipse, but I didn't finish yet because man, it's a lot of work. And this one, don't even tell me, it was so much work. Check it out. But you know, it is there, and if you stick around so long, you're gonna see that this is just the beginning. So thanks for watching. Appreciate your support, and I'll see you on the next video.
Look past my face. See status. I'm eating some McDonald's.